This is the I Ching's answer. Omen.
If you are looking for fortune and recognition, you must learn to listen. This is the way you find treasures and jewels.
Advice.
If you are obsessed about something, it is time to let it go. Think about the advices the I Ching brings and think about them in your day. A mind willing to learn is a flexible mind. If it is flexible, then it is young.
Symbol.
Use your talents when the opportunity comes. It will show itself.
The image.
In a dream, you are walking and you listen to something close, like a twig breaking. Then, you see a deer next to a pile of coins and many cherry twigs. This means that people will recognize you. The twigs mean that there will be chances to fail and try again. Don't worry about failing. There are a lot of opportunities, and it is part of learning. When you are about to wake up, you see two people carrying a chest filled with jewels, saluting you. This means that you will go back home filled with richness.
Hexagram 4. Ignorance. The initial state of a beings. This is an August hexagram, but in spring and autumn, it has trouble in winter. The predominant stage.
This hexagram speaks about the interaction between teacher and student. When the student is honest, then he or she can be taught. I wish to be recognized, but I haven't got the knowledge. I don't have achievements. I don't have culture. The disposition of learning must come from the student. When you are stubborn about a topic and you try to find ways to ask the same in different forms, this is bad manners. The teacher will stop answering. You must be respectful when you are looking for advice. Discipline is the most important ingredient while learning. Accepting what you are taught is the first step to learn. Learning is like a jewelry box. Lid and box must fit and match. Both sides must commit to the development. Get talent or talents. Then, when the right time shows up, use them. Do not hesitate about this. If you ask about obtaining something, you must insist and make it happen. It doesn't matter how many difficulties there are. With creativity and perseverance, try to achieve union.
Heavens will always send help when you need it. You can also help us. Please like and subscribe. The mobile or mutable lines for your hexagrams video is right below on the description. The complete list and table of hexagrams is also in the description. Next, interpretations related to love, laboral development, inner development, and social networks. About love.
Listen, love, as well as friendship, must flow in both ways. In this hexagram, the water is stagnant below the mountain. Sometimes the water becomes fog, and it hides the mountain, so that with the quality of firmness is not visible. So, friendship or love are not visible. You should verify how firm is the person you desire. This means that you must appear visible or make your intentions visible. Additionally, if you tend to discard activities or things before trying, this is bad manners. Try to learn new things. Also, sincerity is one of the most valuable things someone has to offer. Sincerity goes a long, long way. If you meet someone sincere, don't look at the cradle, either rich or modest. Sincerity is a treasure itself. Love and friendship must flow both ways. If it only comes from one direction, there is no relation. If you don't look for that person, how the hell is that person supposed to know that you are interested? Show yourself. Double check if you are obsessed. In the case you are, release. Saying no, without knowing yet what is it about, will bring bad fortune. It could be worth to check out if that person is interested in you. But it is worth only if that person is interested. Beware of players. When a person has a good heart, it doesn't matter where this person comes from.
About work and business.
Sometimes pride will block us from learning more. It could also be fear or false loyalties. We tend to think that what we know is enough. Knowledge comes by itself very slowly. You have to move and look for it. Persist on training yourself. Insist on getting prepared. About labor relationships, the rules must be clear and to make them public. About sales, it is a moment to be visible. Advertisement campaigns are a must. This hexagram has Chi, or atonement, with projects related to education and educative materials. You need more knowledge. Get close to people who know about the topic. Wanting to something to fix itself out of nowhere is silly. Education. You must always insist on training. You can't be worthy of anything without training. The rules must be clear and known by everybody. You must show yourself to sell. If you are on any educational area, there is good fortune for you. There is a chance to get a higher rank when related to educational business.
About personal development.
If you fail an examination, don't worry. There will be more opportunities. Don't go out looking for shortcuts and use your knowledge when the right time comes. All activities have a set of rules to help to get the best results while protecting you from hurting yourself. Remember to use your talents when the moment demands you to step up. There are no shortcuts for learning. You must study. This is the way to get higher in any activity. Be persistent in your education. What you know must be shown to the world.
Networks and social media.
When you find yourself lost about a topic, take the chance to study about it and train on it. Nobody got born knowing. Knowledge comes by practice and investigation. This hexagram speaks about not knowing and about social media. It suggests that people don't know about you and your content. You need to advertise yourself to get it closer to people. If your question was about an educational project content, you have the best luck. I only know that I know anything. The famous Socrates phrase, it is good to know that you don't know about something. Then you can train or study about it. Without knowledge, what you expect to pass won't pass. It's not going to happen by itself. If you are asking about an educational project, very good fortune. If you have a talent and an opportunity just appeared, don't stay still. This is your chance. If you ask yourself, why is it that your project is not taking off? It is because people don't know you are there. You need to use advertisement.
We need your support. Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.
The light of civilization is adorning the mountain to make it even more beautiful. Ignorance is fog that doesn't let people know how beautiful you are. Train and prepare yourself so people can see this eternal beauty on you.
A mountain means stop, as self-restriction, as self-knowledge. To be one with oneself, this is the second reason to be happy every day. Like and subscribe.